Merry Christmas and true Christmas tradition of tonight's contestant is playing for a big cash prize from a chosen charity in the biggest game show all around the world. This is Who Wants to Be a Christmas Millionaire. Hello, happy Christmas. Hello everyone and happy Christmas and welcome to Who Wants to Be a Christmas Millionaire. The show where harder being was never seen before celebrities juggling equal under pressure from our favorite courses. Tonight is Christmas special edition of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And so, we have $1 million from a chosen charity tonight.